Traders, this is Zelman here at Trading Teacher. Going to talk about BioAQ right now. I had about 3 individuals in the last 2 days contact me about BioAQ. I figured I would start doing recordings moving forward since I'm going to have a live trading course in September. And I figured individuals would like to know what I'm talking about as the trade happens. Okay, so we have BioAQ here. I already set up an uptrend and a downtrend, as you can see. Each bar represents 1 day. For you newbies that's actually starting trading and trying to get your feet wet, I do not recommend for you guys to trade unless you actually understand the trading language. So here it goes. BioAQ popped on July 8th and continued to up move to about July 19th from 1 cent to 7 cents. Great up move. Formed resistance at roughly 7 cents, trailed down, confirmed support at around 3 cents. Ever since then, it was in a trading channel until July 11th of this month. As you can see, let's first start with this downtrend right here. You see this downtrend start out right here, and then it confirmed further resistance at roughly 6.5. This was 7 cents, and this was 6.5. And then we had this resistance right here. But as you can see, it's still above, still way below this trend line, this downtrend over here. But before I get into further of this downtrend moving forward, I want to focus on this uptrend line. Okay, now this is the uptrend line. As you can see, since the up move, sharp up move, it created an uptrend, formed this bullish engulfing candlestick after this huge drop, forming support at this uptrend, and constantly it had done that once again over here. Once it started trading upwards to this resistance trend line, you notice how it trailed down, and then it eventually broke the support upward trend line on July 11th. Now, I'm going to explain how in short, I'm going to explain how the trading language works in theory, okay? And this is all in theory, and obviously there's a lot more to understand than what I'm going to state here right now. Once the uptrend was broken, the uptrend turns into resistance, not support. It was support, and you see how it rebounded here from 3 cents, shot up to resistance, trailed back down. See here we have uptrend, trails up, trails back down to resistance. And then what happens from July 10th into July 11th? July 11th, it somewhat gaps down a little bit below the uptrend, and it just cracks from a nickel to 3 cents. And the same day it tries to trail back up, form a hammer, which somewhat confirms support at 3 cents once again, as you had support here. The hammer confirmed support again. However, the uptrend is above the price action movements right now. And you can see right here, when I told you let's take a step back and talk about the uptrend, this candlestick formed a resistance below the uptrend. Now, what's usually scary for a trader that's on the long side is when both uptrends and downtrends meet. So this is the downtrend because it's showing that it's going lower and lower, 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 and this is uptrend. You see it going higher, 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 higher. Once it broke through, the uptrend confirmed resistance, and now the uptrend is the resistance. I know I stated that a couple of seconds ago, but I'm trying to let you guys know what it is. Now, if you notice, let's take a look at the MAC. I use 12.26.9. It's pretty much the standard EMAs for the MAC. I recommend using that. I've been using the MAC for God knows how long. I would say at least 10-15 years. I use that study and the volume, sometimes some other stuff, but mainly the MAC. And the reason why is, as you notice, the MAC histogram leaving negative territory, heading up positive, you see it going higher as it continues to go upwards in the positive part of the divergence. Now, when it actually peaked right here, you see a red bar, huge red bar on the MAC. And you just notice a huge red candlestick drop, showing a first wave of a downtrend. As you can see, it's been trading in the channel. This is the whole channel right here within this triangle. It's been trading in this channel until when the MAC histogram goes from positive to negative. And you can see this trend line do just that. You see how this uptrend was staying, hey, the MAC is going to stay positive as long as the price of the stock stays above this uptrend. That didn't happen here, and you see the MAC finally negative. So what does that mean? Well, the uptrend became the resistance for BIOAQ. And you see it's negative, 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 negative on the MAC histogram down here. Now, what strikes me here is the X mark. You know, I guess like, you know how pirates, you know, look for the X mark and dig. I guess same theory for traders. But if the uptrend and downtrend crosses, chances are wherever the price of that stock is, for example, if the stock price is below the trend lines when they cross, chances are there's a huge movement of downward possibility moving forward. On the flip side, if the price of the stock was above this cross line, then you'll see the up move approaching in the near future. So it's pretty much the opposite. And maybe I can take you, I think I have trend lines up for FRFS. Everyone, oh, no, I don't. Oh, wait, yeah, maybe I do. Hold on, let me see it back up. Okay, yeah, so a perfect example. So you see this X mark right here? See this X mark right here? See what happens? Stood above the support line. And this was the resistance line, right? And if you guys are following me on Twitter, and I posted these at certain time frames when it did happen, you guys know that I created these charts for you guys to view. Now, this is FRFS, but we'll get back to Amber. This was the downtrend. But when you saw these gap plays in line, that shows us, hey, the price of the chart is above the downtrend. It's above the downtrend. So stating the downtrend is support until support trend actually caught up with it. And what happened when they crossed, you see how the price of FRFS was above the cross, and as soon as it was right on it, it pretty much exploded. Now it's still trading above the support line, and the support line is still valid for FRFS. It does look good. It's on sideways. It's sideways trading right now. However, time is the essence for GIFA FRFS to release the news that all my Twittery followers are following. Based on the news release, this can skyrocket. But let's go back to BIOAQ real quick, BIOAQ. I call it BIOAQ because of the ticker symbol. Now you see, let me just back out, my apologies. Now you see over here, the uptrend was broken, right? And you see it crossed over here. Now, the MAC histogram, if you notice, it's negative, negative, negative. And over here, let me try to zoom in. This is lower than this one. It looks kind of scary right here for longs. And the reason why I say this, well, it just showed that there's more selling pressure to come. What will happen tomorrow? Might take a day or two. Could happen tomorrow. But it might trade up to the resistance level before it cracks, or it could just crack tomorrow. My followers who are in this position and individuals who are in BIOAQ, a little friendly advice: if BIOAQ goes below today's low, which is 0.048. Be careful. You can see a sharp drop. You can lose majority of profits, or lose some of your capital gains, or even encounter capital losses. Just to keep your eye on this, and I'm pretty sure the next few days are gonna be very important for the stock moving forward. Obviously, I always tell individuals put stop orders to protect your downside risk. My followers who are in BIOAQ, just remember this is just my opinion of what should happen. I don't want any of the individuals that are following me that own BioAmber to be upset or insulted that I posted this video, but I'm just sharing information with other people on Twitter, like with you guys who ask me questions all the time of what a particular stock is going to do. So please don't get offended in any way. And if you're an individual that wants to take my training course in the near future, my first training course will be in September of 2018. You can message me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @TradingTeacher. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly through this post or send me a direct message. Once again, my Twitter handle is @TradingTeacher. Good luck to all, and all the traders in BioAmber that's long, just look out and just make sure you protect your downside moving forward. Good luck to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the near future.